Hi, Emerald. Hey, I'm Brittney, and today at our school is Health Day, and we are holding talking rabbits. Look! Mine has its eyes open now. Look at it. Do the nose thing. Do the nose. Yes. I love it. You're beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. And this is mine. She's a bit bigger, but she's freaking adorable. Yeah, so we just opened a new account, and we hope you like it. It's just going to be us fucking around, pretty much. Oh, basically, it's going to be really fun. And we lost my rabbit. It's never leaving my sight, never. I know. I don't think, like, I can feel it bony thingy. Ribs? Yeah. That makes me sound so dumb. It's okay. It's our YouTube account. No, but it doesn't feel like ribs. It just feels like a load of bones. And like, how does it feel? Look. Maybe they have like extra ribs or something.
Oh, that's retarded.
Maybe they couldn't fit it in.
Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. How good is this? It's our first day of vlogging and there's animals at our...
Business.
How are you, Ellie? I'm very well. No. Look at the kitties, they're precious. Don't they look? Oh, he's eating my hair. Stop it. I'm eating my hair. They're so adorable.
Om nom 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 nom.
Look at his eyes. It's like food. Talking, probably black. I'd let his. Yeah. Were you holding a little duck before?
So cute.
Did you do the duck?